Okay, here's a look at the market through the eyes of emini day trader for Tuesday, January the 24th, 2012. We had mentioned yesterday that we had some key levels that we were monitoring. One of them was 6. By the way, these are market profiles. This is what occurred overnight, and this one is what occurred today. This is what occurred yesterday. So the market certainly went well below our expected support. The next level up we had was at 11. So you can see that 11 held very nicely overnight and just made it just above it very, very late, just as the market closed today. Our next level up is around 17. So the market, when it opened in the regular trading hours in here, we were thinking that, okay, well, maybe that 6 level is going to flip over and become resistance. Even though we were still in more of a bullish tone than bearish on an intraday basis. So when the market did rally early, as you can see, it did not stay down here very long. It quickly came and traded above 07, and you can see how that area acted as support, just as the 11 area acted as resistance. So we did have a good movement today within that 6 to 11 area. The market overnight is already trading higher. It quickly opened in the Globex session and rallied, apparently off of the Apple news, which had very powerful or better than expected numbers for their earnings. So that has lifted the market here in the overnight session, already trading, well, right now it's trading at 14 and a quarter, 13, 14 and a quarter. So certainly above here, and the high so far has been 1650. So not all that surprising. It's gotten up very, very close to our resistance area. So those are the levels that we're working with, and they worked out pretty well for today. Another tool that we use is the market profiles, but just from the regular trading hours, and that's what you're looking at right here. Here's our trades from today, and you can see first of all down below that we had early a red filter here, but then it switched over and was green the rest of the day. We have been intraday bullish, intraday up auction, and you can see today, most of today was also intraday up, and so intraday being within the day time frame. So you can see here that that level that I was just mentioning in the 6 area right here, market came up and tested it here, backed off, and then had that really good move through it during this time frame, and certainly stayed above it, tried to come back down in here a couple times to test it, but then had that good positive close to finish the day. So these red arrows, as you can see, were attempts by the auction process to try and send it lower, although obviously we were not taking those trades in such a powerful green intraday filter, and of course our intraday bias was also up. So we didn't take any of those trades. We did have a long trade here, and we also had a long trade here, and you can see the entry was right here. It had a bit of a bounce. Unfortunately, we got nicked here for break even before it rallied up to here. Then you can see it did come back and test that entry area here again later in the day before it had the good move up. This trade also was a break even, hitting our first objective and backing off before it came higher. So we still think the market is going up, and we're still looking in the 6 area support, with 11 now becoming support because of what's happened overnight, with 17, and then probably up to around the 25 area is the next likely area for resistance as a target. And of course we're looking forward to the news to be released, or not news I should say, this evening, news tomorrow with the FOMC, but tonight of course with President Obama speaking, and that's always, the State of the Union speech always seems to move the market to some degree, so we'll have to monitor that overnight. But certainly the FOMC news tomorrow will play a significant role, and more than likely the market will get fairly volatile at that time. So always want to watch yourself after the FOMC news is released. So that's really a look at the market for today. Thanks for watching. Any questions or comments, you can reach us right here at info@emini-day-trader, and of course our phone number is on the website as well. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.